Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Smart Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. Basically reboot this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our Smart Band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system and select it, and here select the option called reboot and then tap on the check mark to confirm and reboot your Smart Band, and then wait until the rebooting process is complete. Okay, and as you can see, it's done. We're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.